Hi there, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you're going to be able to use the single-use template link application. Now once you've added this application to your ManyChat account, the first thing you're going to need to do is to add your personal ManyChat API key. Now this can be found if you click onto My Profile down here. Once you go into there, you'll then find yourself in your settings section or your profile section. Here you're going to then want to click into settings and you can copy and paste your profile API key from here. You can then jump back over, paste that into here, click save, and then you are done. Then what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to jump over to one of your flows, and inside of one of these flows you can create an action and then gain access to the single-use template link. From here you'll then select the action of create a single-use template. From this, what you're then going to do is you're going to need one of your template IDs. Now to find the template ID, as you can see here, I'm already on one of my templates. If you want to find your templates, you can click again and just go back here. You can go and find your templates in My Profile, and then once in My Profile, you can then click onto templates. Just here is where they will load. I have a lot of them, so it takes a little while for them to load. But anyway, you can click onto any one of these, and once you do, you'll find yourself on a page like this. Up in the URL, you can see there is just a number up there. Ooh, can't zoom in on that. But that is the ID number. So all you're going to then need to do is to copy this. You're then going to come into your action, paste that in, and then you can select a user field here where you would like the URL to then populate. So for this test, it is just going to go into a user field called test field. You can then click save, and once you do this, the action will then be saved. What will then happen is that inside of that user field, you'll then be able to have a URL, which will be your single use link. So as you can see in this example that you were looking at on the screen, I have put the URL just underneath of this text, just here, and also we have placed the URL into the button just here. Now, what will happen when I run this flow is that I will get a single use template link.